Peace be upon you all. In this tutorial, we will learn how to create an animation of moving cars on a free highway. All the assets used here are linked in the description below. Since I don't have the original files, I have modified them slightly to view their layers in After Effects. First, we are going to import the assets and group them in a folder named BG. Then, drag the first image into a new composition. From the Effects and Presets panel, select Offset, then double-click to add the effect. This trick is to calculate the offset that will loop the background. I copy the width of the composition and add it to the X value of the offset. Then I repeat the same process for the other 4 elements of the background. Create a new composition and name it BG. Add all the background elements to it, ensuring they are ordered correctly and positioned accurately. Then enable time remapping for all of them. On the next to last frame, create a key to ensure a seamless loop, then delete the last key. Alt-click to add an expression and type in loop out. For each layer, ensure it loops a whole number of times, 2, 3, or 4. I'm using a calculator here to determine the precise number of frames needed to complete the loop. Now let's add the first car. Apply a rotation to the wheels so they are always rotating, using the expression time times a suitable number. For a subtle yet cool effect, I added a wiggle expression to the Y component of the position to simulate the car's vibration. That looks good. Create a new composition and name it Scene. Place the background and the car inside. For the car's movement, I wanted to enter from the right and exit from the left. However, I decided to keep the car always in the scene, just to the right of the center. The second car's setup is similar, but I adjusted the wheel rotation to feel faster, which required some time to find the right multiplier for the expression. Animating the second car was a challenge, as it had to overtake the first car. The easing required a lot of trial and error to get it just right. Now that looks good. I added the shadow from the first car to the second car and fine-tuned the animation for a better look. It's time to introduce the third car, which will travel the opposite direction. I set up the wheels and body vibration similarly, and I adjusted the shadow scar to fit the scene better. Here, I used a plugin from Video Copilot a must-have for After Effects users. To fix the white space between the tires and body of the second car, I added a black shape behind the car because it didn't look right in the main scene. That's it. The animation is fully done. Thank you for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in the next time. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy animating!